Hi guys, I'm back. I'm sorry for such a long delay on my part, but now I'm back and I promise I'll be a regular as far as posting on YouTube is concerned. And today I have a very special guest with me. Ta-da!
Hi everyone.
Before you guys make any judgment in the comment column below, I just want to put a disclaimer out there. This guy is my cousin and he knows nothing about makeup, and he's going to attempt his first ever makeup on me. So I'm kind of feeling lucky and scared at the same time. So let's see what he has for us to offer.
So I'm your makeup artist for today and I'll try my level best, but I'm sure in the end you guys would be disappointed. So let's start.
Oh my God. Do you even know what you're doing?
I've been invited by you. I hardly knew anything.
Yeah, a blank canvas. What are you trying to attempt? You have to keep telling people.
Okay, sure. So I'm trying to color your face. I'm not a very good painter, but
So you think this is the
this would help me.
Okay.
Yeah.
Whatever floats your boat, boo. So which color are you using right now, and what
So
do you
it's
think?
brown.
Okay,
It's
and
brown and I think it works well. It would work well with your skin, which is why I'm using it.
okay, fair enough.
So it's a
brown enough.
Yeah.
Bad idea.
So yeah, now I'm done with this. Let me take out something else which you have offered. Uh, this one.
Okay, so just to show my viewers out there, this is the Touching Soul No Problem. I hate that name. Primer, and he's using it after he put eyeshadow on my face. It's okay. It's okay. Don't worry about it. I feel so nourished right now. Just my face needed.
So you can easily see that her face is shimmering right now. Yeah.
That glow to the gods.
So we'll find out something else. No, this we cannot use. What is this? Shake well.
Do you know what that is?
I wish I wanted to know what it was. If you're not comfortable, you can
No,
tell
no,
me
no,
to
no,
stop.
I'm comfortable.
Yeah.
Carte blanche. He was just trying to decipher the logic that is in your head.
Yep.
He used my Fenty foundation on my face after he used the primer. So there might be some logic to the madness there.
Hand cream.
You can never have too much of hand cream. I feel so pampered. Now I
wish this,
understand the kind of feeling J-Lo would get before a red carpet. So I think what Vaibhav is currently attempting.
You can open your eyes.
Okay. So I think what he attempted there was to put highlighter on my eyes. So not a bad trick there. It's just the placement that's a slight issue.
So I'm watching out for creams, Greeny. If you have any more. Liquid eyeshadow.
You want me to?
Yeah. So,
The color range. Just for your information, guys, he used the Stila liquid metal mattes, and now he's trying to attempt that on my eyes.
okay, I didn't know it was for the eyes. Thanks.
I should have.
Open it.
Don't open it or
Open.
Okay.
Open your eyes. Oh yeah, I found something.
This is the sunscreen.
Sunscreen. No, but we are sitting inside. And we don't have any plans of going out to makeup removal. Perfume.
This is the room freshener.
Okay. And this might be
This is an exfoliator, a scrub, a liquid scrub.
liquid scrub for the face.
Yeah, but it's not makeup.
It's not makeup,
Yeah.
but what I have done,
Yeah,
that
that's
was not
not
makeup.
Come on, I'm. It burns, it burns, it burns.
Okay, fine. And yeah, I found out something.
Another hand cream.
Yeah.
So you think my hands need more moisturizing?
The other side, of course.
Okay. You guys don't stop in the middle of it and don't make memes out of it. Fair warning.
Body lotion. Yeah.
Why the hell not? Pump's slightly broken, so you have to.
Okay.
We're gonna skip it for a moment.
So.
You're quite amused by this, aren't you?
Perfect combination of lip care.
Now he's trying to put Kat Von D gothic pastel
You
matte.
can open your eyes now.
Yeah, pastel matte palette on my eyes.
I wish I wanted to read it. What it was.
Or even cared what it was.
For a change, I think it was better.
Open.
Yes. I don't have good nails too.
Let's open the nails for that.
Let me check my nails. Nails.
Thank you for giving me a mustache. So much for the threading I did yesterday.
No.
You need my
Just
face
check
needs
and let
more
me know.
primer.
Acha, if this is expired or not, can you just help me?
Yeah, it's not expired.
Okay.
But do you think I need a third primer on my face?
How does it matter?
Okay.
It's Sunday.
I'm fair game, so
It's Sunday.
go
You're not
on.
going out. It's holy.
I feel like a couple of months too late for that, but it's alright.
I didn't pay this time. Why not?
Oh, that one's expired.
This one.
Yeah.
Primer.
And
Again.
fourth primer.
Do let me know what's the function of primer after this call.
Even the makers of primers will be confused. So tell me exactly what's going on in your head. Are you trying to use whatever comes in front of you on my face today? Or are there any specific products you're looking for and trying to find in there? Or
Most of them I haven't heard of.
okay.
Fine. So I'm just trying to find out. I know nothing would suit your face.
You think?
But
Genius?
but yeah, I'm trying to use everything that I see around.
Ah, thought so.
Yeah. Can you please open this?
Yeah.
Yeah. Open this too. I'll be using this after this one.
Of course, there's never too much blush in your life. Don't you feel like Michelangelo right now? And I'm the Mona Lisa.
Let's ensure that there are no white spaces on your face.
White spaces, I didn't know I had vitiligo up until now. Do I? You have me concerned.
I won't leave a single space. I'll color everything I see around.
That's so kind.
Oh, this is new.
But you were just trying to cover up all the white space, so-called alleged white spaces on
Not the white spaces, but I don't want to leave anything on your face. I want to color it.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So, you know what? I have a theory
Yeah.
that you think it's some sort of a painting competition that in your school, probably back when we had those.
Seems like one.
Yeah. Yeah,
Green.
green.
Yeah.
Uh, there you go. That's
Maybe.
okay.
Yeah, I know this one.
Thanks.
That one?
Save me $1,200 on shellac.
Okay.
Even I have to draw a line somewhere.
Achha, what was the other? Yeah, moisturizing.
Are we done yet? Or is there more?
All I could do
Huh?
is this only.
That's it?
Yeah.
I thought you had more antics up your sleeve.
Actually, I think it's ample for today. Yeah.
That's it? You don't want to do my lips?
Oh yeah. But where is the lipstick?
In this one. That works.
Lipstick. This way is lipstick.
Yeah, all of them are lipsticks. So, very sophisticated technique, I must admit. You're going in for the ombre lip. Wonderful. So, any more lipstick?
Wait, I'm just trying to find out if there's anything else as well. What is this? Don't think out of it.
That was an eczema cream.
So, yeah, I think we are good to close.
Are we?
What's this?
Lip gloss.
Lip gloss, why not?
Why not? So, who was that character in that movie? Charles Buzz? The one whose makeup was done by Devi. Have you seen the movie? 90s kids, you know what I'm talking about. So, if you know the character I'm talking about, please comment in the comment section.
Now, I have experience of 15 minutes. I might want to read what it is.
Finally, 15 minutes into this, we are reading.
Yeah, this again is an eyeshadow. Yep. So I have messed up your room. I wish any of you were here to see how a room looks like. And she might take a day or two to clean it. Yeah. So
Or
yeah.
I might just make you clean it. Never thought of that coming your way, did you?
Well, she'll definitely try that. But she knows if I'll clean it or not.
Never say never. Come sit. So, this is Webhav's Mona Lisa. And
Looking like one?
yeah, totally. Do you think this is the way I look when I go out?
No.
No?
This is something new.
Yeah,
You might
it's,
want to
it's
try.
very avant-garde, very edgy, in-your-face makeup. We're trying out new looks, so Mario did one witch, was it? Kim K's makeup artist. Just keep your eye out for this one. He's really good, I'm telling you.
So bye everyone.
Yeah.
Chidi,
So if you like this video, please like, comment, share and subscribe. And for further content, please keep on checking my channel. Thank you so much. I love you guys. Bye.